Linking your bank account to Skyscanner can enhance your travel planning experience by allowing for easy transactions. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the Skyscanner app or website. Start by launching the Skyscanner app on your mobile device or visiting the Skyscanner website on your computer. Step 2. Sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one by providing your email address and setting a password. Step 3. Navigate to payment settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the payment settings or payment method section, which is usually found in the account or profile menu. Step 4. Add your bank account information. In the payment settings, select the option to add a new payment method. Enter your bank account details as prompted, ensuring that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes to link your bank account to your Skyscanner account. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Skyscanner, making your travel planning more convenient.